Yippee! Time for you to beneath.
Hello to our CTA community, it's me, Rebecca, and today I'm gonna change my race to Skibidi toilet.
Skibidi toilet?
So now we're gonna drink some Skibidi water first. Oh my god, why it smells like ass!
Honey, if you don't want that.
Oh god, is it a toilet or a battlefield? Oh my god! Okay, let's go. Oh god, this water is extra skibidi. Rebecca, have you seen my... Oh my god, Rebecca! Oh, there... I can explain. I wanna be a skibidi toilet.
Oh my god, I can't take it anymore!
No, Dad!
I'm not sure how I feel about this video. Maybe there is something on shorts?
The Skibidi toilet or creeper!
The Skibidi toilet or creeper.
Oh, are you good, girl?
Britney Spears!
At least I don't have Skibidi toilet on my playlist.
Skibidi. Top, top, top. Yes, yes.
I had enough of this!
I'm just gonna kill myself.
No, I was joking.
Move, bitch!
I think I'm going insane. Skibidi top.
Almond milk.
Wait, what am I sitting on? Hey, you! Did you know that by pressing this little button, you are helping this video to get more views and motivate me? So please,
Push it.
mwah.